My dear students, we are trying to compare that you have to face, or the business have to face, the competitors. You're not the only one in the market. So companies start realizing that there is a competition at the national level, and now there is a competition at the global level. Products can come from anywhere from the world. So strategic management became important, which means formal school of thought, formal planning, versus you learn from the environment and adjust. So learning strategy versus planning strategy. So these are the two school of thoughts. It's not a question of right or wrong. The question is, which one suits better? And always there are paradoxes and criticisms in the management literature. This is how the research is moving forward. One management scholar, Professor Andrew, came up with a formal planning strategic viewpoint. Henry Mintzberg, he came up with a learning or the emergent viewpoint. SWOT versus TOWS. थोड़ा सा फर्क है दोनों में. Let's look from that angle. Emergent strategies calls for and transforms the company into a learning school. Companies must learn from the external environment, because the external environment is not in your control. What is the external environment? Social environment, political environment, economic environment. Remember that concept of PEST? P-E-S-T. So all the technological environment, so political, economical, social and technological, PEST. ये चार फैक्टर्स जो एनवायरमेंट में है, these are environmental forces. It is not in your control. So when it is not in your control, so it is better learning viewpoint given by Professor Mintzberg calls for that it is better for the company and of course managers of the company that you should look ahead and try to anticipate. Don't idealize. Don't make a decision. Anticipate future changes and prepare yourself to respond to them. So see, dynamism is coming in the business now. There is no free lunch. You will get the lunch, you will get the profit if you are dynamic. How can you predict all these four forces, political, environmental, social and technological, of your nation and the other nations 5 years ahead of time? बात तो जेन्युइन है. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि कंपनीज मस्ट लर्न एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द लर्निंग दे शुड प्रेफर SWOT वर्सेस TOWS. थोड़ा सा फर्क है. Do you give importance to the internal environment? So then you will look on your strengths and weaknesses which are inside the company, inside the factory, inside your own enterprise. What are your strengths and weaknesses? And you will develop how are you going to face opportunities in the market and how are you going to face those threats which will come from the market. So O and T, opportunity is always in the market. Threats are also in the market. So these are the external factors. SWOT के मुकाबले में दूसरा व्यू पॉइंट टोज का है कि नहीं. We will first look what are the opportunities, where are the opportunities. बिल्कुल वो एग्जाम्पल मैं यहां देना चाहूंगा कि किसी शू कंपनी ने अपने मैनेजर को अफ्रीका में भेजा. जैसे ही उसने लैंड किया तो बहुत सारे लोग वहां उसको विदाउट शू नंगे पांव चलते नजर आए. उसने अपनी कंपनी को लिखकर भेजा, यहां कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है आपके शूज के सेलिंग के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. एक दूसरा मैनेजर वहां पर आया. ही लुक्ड द सेम एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन. ही मेड अ डिफरेंट डिसीजन. He wrote to his company, a lot of opportunity, because you have to make these people learn, wear the shoe, and you will be better off after wearing the shoe. देखिए, व्यू पॉइंट तो डिफरेंट होते ही हैं. So you look at the opportunity of the market, you redesign your product inside on the basis of your strengths or weaknesses. And while you are redesigning the product, while you are innovating your product, you will keep in mind your strengths and weaknesses, but at the same time, you will also keep the threats in front of you. तो ये learning viewpoint versus static planning viewpoint, static thought viewpoint कि नहीं, कुछ चेंज नहीं होगा, हमारे पास स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं, हम जो बनाकर भेज देंगे मार्केट में एक्सेप्ट हो जाएगा. ये दोनों स्कूल ऑफ थॉट हैं. लेकिन अगर आप गौर करें, एज वी एंटर इनटू द टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द 20th century and we enter in 21st century, markets are becoming more dynamic. Decisions based on static resources, decisions based on conventional resources, strategic viewpoint planned on the basis of the static capital is no longer acceptable. Many companies disappeared, stopped their business. कहां गई वो कोडक कंपनी जो दुनिया भर में कैमरे बनाकर बेचा करती थी? They could not anticipate the future. Simply disappeared. So learning, changing, getting yourself ready, anticipating probably is a better view of management concept, that how you are going to anticipate the future. Thank you very much.